Hey, what is up guys, and I'm back with another video, and this one will be how to say no chat in Clash of Clans. So what you need to do first is go to your settings, then you have to go to general, go down until you see keyboard, tap on keyboard, go to keyboards, and add the Chinese simplified handwriting. Then what you do is you go over to your Clash of Clans, and so all you have to do is go to your Chinese simplified keyboard and go like this and tap it really fast so there's no space and you just say nothing. I may be making a new account, and that will be making the name of the account nothing, just to go around trolling people. And so yeah, and once it gets subscribed to Landon Hadry. And also the one who told me about this glitch thing is Jacob. Shout out to him. He has these camps in the middle of his base just so it can take up space. And cool, because he still has this Xmas tree from a few years ago. But yeah, and also one of my accounts still has from long ago. I still have my what's it called? Pumpkin Bomb and Santa Strike. So I'm on Norsk. So that's the thing. That's why you can't see what it's called, but you can see that it says bomb. But yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like this video and watch my other ones. I'll see you next time. Peace.